places with everything. Yeah, she's going home.
Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
Yeah, she's going home.
Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
Yeah, she's going home.
Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
She's going home.
Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
She's going home.
Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
Hi, I'm Phil, and I'd like to walk you through how to set up a Denon home speaker. Denon home speakers are HEOS enabled, which makes it easy to add multi-zone music to any home. A Denon home speaker, like all HEOS enabled devices, utilize the same setup process. The first thing you need to do is connect the speaker to power. The light on the front of the speaker will begin to blink blue. Wait until the light is solid amber. When this happens, open the HEOS app, and at the upper left-hand corner, you will see a settings icon. Select it and go to Add Device. Once you select Add a Device, you will be prompted to press the Connect button on the back of the speaker. When the light is blinking green, press Next on the app. Once your mobile device is connected to the speaker, the light will turn solid green. If the light continues to blink green, that indicates that the mobile device and the speaker cannot see each other. So you may have to repeat the process a couple of times. I suggest you unplug the speaker from power for about 60 seconds. Then reconnect it to power and repeat the process from the beginning. If after several attempts the two devices still cannot communicate, the quickest way to connect the devices will be to use a wired connection. Connect the home speaker to your router using the included Ethernet cable. Once you do this, the speaker will immediately appear in the HEOS app. Go to the settings menu, select My Devices, choose the desired speaker, then go to the network option and enter the wireless information. Once you enter the wireless information, disconnect the Ethernet cable from the speaker. Once the Ethernet cable is removed, the Denon home speaker will be connected to the network wirelessly. After you set up a Denon home speaker, the app will ask you if you have any other speakers you would like to set up or if you're done. We recommend that you set up all of the Denon home speakers and HEOS enabled devices in your home before you select done. Once you select done, the HEOS app will verify that all of the HEOS enabled devices in your home are running the latest firmware. The firmware update normally takes about 5 minutes. Once it is completed, your Denon home speaker is ready for operation. During setup, you will be prompted to set up a HEOS account. Once you set up an account, you will be asked to input the account information for all of your music services. This will give you access to all of your music and all of your playlists on any HEOS enabled device in your home. By utilizing Denon home speakers, you can easily add high quality music to any room in your home.
The SoundLink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2 was engineered to deliver bold sound wherever life takes you. Its rugged, water-resistant design lets you enjoy the music you love in more places. In this video, we'll help you get started. First, carefully unpack the carton to confirm that the following parts are included: the Bose SoundLink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2, the USB charging cable, and the Quick Start Guide. To get started, let's charge the battery by plugging the small end of the USB charging cable into the micro USB connector on your speaker. Then, plug the other end into a USB wall charger. The battery indicator will blink amber while charging and turn solid green when fully charged. Now you're ready to turn your speaker on. Before using your speaker, you'll be asked to select a language. Simply follow the voice prompts from the speaker. To stream music, you must pair a device to your speaker. For Bluetooth, head to your device's settings menu and select the Bose SoundLink speaker from the device list. Once paired, you'll hear
Connected to Elisa's smartphone.
and the Bluetooth indicator will glow solid white. If your device supports it, you can also pair using Near Field Communication, or NFC. To pair using NFC, turn on the Bluetooth and NFC features on your device. Then, tap the NFC touchpoint on your device to the top of your speaker. Your device may prompt you to accept pairing. Additionally, you can download our free Bose Connect app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. There you go. Now you're ready to play some music. For best performance, keep your mobile device within 33 feet of the speaker and keep a clear line of sight between your device and the speaker, away from other wireless equipment. For additional help using your speaker, visit our website